Okay, ready?
Now I am.
Okay.
We select medical center in Dallas, Texas. And we got Dover. This is how it is.
Send it back to 1.
Never seen these type of version. I don't think I've been on an armor with this type of version before.
Okay.
There's your phone.
I want to look closer at the buttons now. I want to get off at 2 and you can take your rides. Actually, if the old Fias Paredes in downtown El Paso had these fixtures, it's permanently closed now. That building was condemned a while back, unfortunately.
This is worth filming, isn't it?
It was. Look at the button. Cool.
I'm gonna look at it as well.
Okay, you can go get your solo rides.
Someone go ahead and figure it out.